Hey there, today we're checking out the Yabano Panini Press Grill, a versatile electric indoor grill perfect for quick meals. With a powerful 1200W heating element, it heats up fast so you can enjoy your food sooner. The large 11 by 9-inch cooking surface lets you grill multiple sandwiches or ingredients at once. Thanks to its non-stick coating, cleaning is easy and you won't have to scrub stubborn food residue. The grill also includes a removable drip tray to catch excess grease and keep your kitchen mess-free. Its compact and portable design means you can use it indoors or take it on the go. Whether you're making gourmet sandwiches or grilling veggies, this panini press makes cooking simple and delicious. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.